Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Math, and on Fridays is when I quickly work through a question without much ado, and this is the question we have today. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 all over x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by 4x squared minus 1 over 2x minus 6. Let's get into the question. One thing I do notice, there's a divided sign. With rules of fractions, I can change it to multiply and flip this fraction over. So dividing by a over b is like multiplying by b over a. The next step, of course, is factoring. That top equals 2x plus 1 times x minus 4. We multiply out the terms, and we'll get that minus 7x. Same way we can factor the bottom. We get x minus 3 times x minus 4. For example, minus 3 times minus 4 gives us plus 12. There we can take out 2 as a common factor, which is x minus 3. And that's the pattern a squared minus b squared, which equals a plus b times a minus b. That's 2x all squared minus 1 squared is 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. And now we can have some fun as we can cancel out some fractions, because, for example, these two characters cancel each other out. This x minus 3 cancels out that x minus 3, and this 2x plus 1 cancels out to that 2x plus 1, and we're left with 2 over 2x minus 1. So there's the answer. And some restrictions: x cannot be 3 because of that x minus 3, x cannot be 4 because of that x minus 4, and x cannot be plus or minus a half due to these two brackets. And there's the answer. It's 2 divided by 2x minus 1. Thank you all for watching.